Ocean Connectors is an award-winning organization that focuses on teaching kids about migratory animals and the impact they have in our world.
The Fish and Wildlife Service has working with Ocean Connectors out here to bring students from National City to restore coastal sage scrub habitat. So all this area that you guys see within the fences have been planted by students since 2008 to restore the habitat.
I like that we get to be outside and it's a win-win because we get to help nature and stuff.
It's just something different because we are usually always in the classroom, so to come outside and make the connection between textbooks and reality is just super, it's on a different level.
You get to come out, you get to see amazing wildlife, amazing beautiful spots in San Diego Bay, and all of the proceeds from that go directly back to benefiting our students and learning about ocean conservation.
These tours allow the community to connect with the local environments, and that supports the schoolwork. So it's a win-win for the whole community.
Ocean Connectors accomplishes 3 goals: educate students to increase academic engagement and success, inspire youth to practice environmental conservation and stewardship, and connect children with hands-on coastal learning opportunities. You can donate to Ocean Connectors by visiting our website at oceanconnectors.org.